In this video, we will explore how AI and machine learning are revolutionizing the field of electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is a vast field that deals with the study and development of electrical systems, devices, and equipment. With the emergence of AI and machine learning, the possibilities in electrical engineering have expanded beyond our imagination. In this video, we will dive into the various applications of AI and machine learning in electrical engineering and explore how it's changing the industry. Welcome to our video on unleashing the power of AI and machine learning in the field of electrical engineering. Electrical engineering has come a long way since its inception. With the integration of AI and machine learning, electrical engineering has been able to take a quantum leap forward. And in this video, we will explore the endless possibilities of its applications. Application of AI and machine learning in electrical engineering. Automating power grids. One of the most promising applications of AI and machine learning in electrical engineering is the automation of power grids. With the integration of machine learning algorithms, power grids can reduce downtime by predicting and resolving potential issues before they become major problems. AI and machine learning algorithms can also help monitor and optimize power consumption, making the grid more efficient. Improving energy efficiency. AI and machine learning can be used to improve energy efficiency in electrical systems. Sophisticated monitoring systems can track energy spikes and dips, identify patterns in energy usage, and make adjustments accordingly. By analyzing data from smart meters, AI and machine learning algorithms can predict energy usage and make informed decisions to reduce energy consumption. Design optimization. AI and machine learning algorithms can also be used to optimize the design of electrical systems. Engineers can use machine learning algorithms to create models and simulations that can test and optimize various designs. This can lead to cost savings, faster development, and even better designs. Predictive maintenance. Another area where AI and machine learning are making a significant impact is in predictive maintenance. Electrical systems require maintenance to perform optimally, and detecting faults early can prevent accidents and reduce downtime. By analyzing data from sensors and monitoring equipment, AI and machine learning algorithms can predict when maintenance is required and alert the relevant personnel in advance. Smart grids. Smart grid technology aims to create an energy-efficient, self-sustaining energy system for cities. AI and machine learning algorithms play a critical role in the development of smart grids. They can improve communication and control between the utility company and the end user, detect and isolate faults in the grid, and even detect renewable energy sources. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI and machine learning are revolutionizing the field of electrical engineering. From optimizing designs to predicting faults and improving energy efficiency, AI and machine learning have the potential to change the way the world uses and distributes energy. As we continue to innovate and integrate these technologies into our electrical systems, we can all enjoy the benefits of a more efficient, reliable, and sustainable energy system. Thanks for watching our video on unleashing the power of AI and machine learning in the field of electrical engineering. We hope you found this video informative and educational. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on technology.